everyone. This is video demonstration of our project Shabd Setu, a blogging platform. It is for aspiring writers, storytellers, and avid readers looking for a dedicated community to share ideas and discover new perspectives. It bridges the gap between creators and audiences with a distraction-free writing experience and targeted categorized user for bloggers. So let's get started. Shabd Setu, a simple blogging platform to share thoughts and connect. So this is our homepage. On homepage we have this feature card presenting best of the week, which has 3 best most liked blogs of the last week. So I have currently logged in with my account, which is admin account, so which has all the admin access like reports, manage category, manage users. For a view, let's log out and see what it looks like. For a logged out perspective, a user cannot have following personalized or any of these authorized access features. He can still view a blog. So there is this blog title, blog thumbnail and the blog content, but this feature are not usable for the unauthorized person, right? So let's go back and now let's sign in again. So here we have option to sign in with Google or sign in with our email address. So I can continue with Google first, and let's log in with one of our Google accounts. I have selected my account, which is already registered on this website. So I have successfully logged in. Now I can see all the options, right? I can like here, read article, right? I have already followed the author here. My like is shown here. These are views. I can now comment here. Let's comment. Hi, this is a really good blog, and I can post the comment. So as you can see, comment is submitted successfully here, and we also have implemented a comment moderation feature which will not allow users to post harmful or any other falseful comments here. Also, we have a report option here. By clicking on it, we can report if we think that if the blog has some hate speech, spam or anything like that. Let's for check report its spam here. We can write additional detail and submit it. And now this will be submitted to administration. They can have their look on this report section and then mark it if it is actually. You can also use AI summary feature, authorized person here, which will generate us a small summary of the blog large content, right? And here we have category, comments, and from here we can navigate to the author's profile also, right? So this is author's public profile, where we can see how many followers following it has, how many views he has gotten in the past days, his areas of work, which are his blogs, and the topics which he writes blog in. We can follow or unfollow me from here. Going back, we can go to the main homepage again. So on the homepage, in this all section, we are getting to see all of these blogs. Now by categorization, here we have interesting categories. By selecting that, we will only have blogs in that particular category, as you can see here. So this is just an interesting filter option right here. We can scroll left and right to these categories and we'll get the blogs included in that category. So here other options we have with this blog is save a blog, and blog is successfully saved. We can also share this blog We click on share, and we have options to share these on different platforms such as WhatsApp or Gmail or Twitter or anywhere. We can share the link to the blog, and blog will direct will be shared. So these are the features that for a blog we can get. We can follow, unfollow, like, comment, share, and save. Here we also have following and personalized feed. In the following feed, we will only see the blogs of the people we follow. For example, here. And then in personalized feed, it shows the blogs based on the algorithm of our past likes and saves. Right. So these are the different feeds and different categories that we can explore on the home page. Beside that, we also have dashboard with my blogs, comments, saved and following to see. On my blogs, we have all the blogs listed here which we have posted in the past. For me, I have posted the last blog here, which looks like this, which is already published. We can do actions here to edit it or delete it. And this shows a statistic of our most time spent post, right? On top, we also have here 755. 8 actually. 85. Here in my blog section, we have add blog option, and we can also see previously posted blogs by us. So this is a blog posted by me, and here the category is defined, and here it shows the statistics of the past blogs. That is, I have one publications which includes 3 topics. Here in top categories technology. I can also add a new blog from here. Let's add a new blog. We can add a title here. Let's copy blog from here for now demonstration. We can select categories of our like manually from here. Let's select environment and sustainability for now, and then we can add a featured image which is our thumbnail. Here let's just drag it from here, and it's successfully uploaded. Then we can upload our blog content here in this text editor. Let's just copy this content for now. So this is successfully curated in our text editor, and we can style it as we want it. We can also add one more image, or multiple more image as we want in between these paragraphs. Let's say we want to add a picture here in between, so we can just drag or copy or insert whatever the picture is, and it will be uploaded here. So this is what we generated. Also, in categories session, we have AI categorization, which categorize the blog based on the blog content if blogger doesn't want to do it manually. Let's just select AI categorize, and it will categorize the blog automatically. Wait for a few seconds, and it has given us really good categorization: environment, lifestyle, pets and animals, because it includes a horse maybe. Now we move on to the next, which is blog description. Blog description is something seen by users on a blog card on a home page, right? So it is important to have a good description, and we can also get it generated by AI. So description is generated successfully, and now have description. So now we have two options. We can save this blog as draft, or we can just directly publish it. Save draft is an important feature to date after few days or after few time. Let's for now save it as draft, and draft is saved successfully. So moving back to our my blog section, we now have the blog which is visible as draft only, so which is visible to us only. We can edit it, delete it. Let's just go on back to the draft and we can now also edit it. We can change title, category, or any of the blog content. And let's say we done the changes that we want to, and after that we again can keep it as draft or publish it. Let's publish the blog here. I click publish blog and blog is updated successfully. So now we have second blog updated as well. Then we have section as comments. In this, all the comments that we have done is displayed here. For example, we just did a demonstration comment of this is a really good blog, and we can see it here. We can delete comments from here. Let's delete this one, and data is deleted successfully. The next we have saved page, which shows us all the saved posts by us. We just recently in demonstration saved a post and it is visible here. So we can save blogs to read it later, or save it to show it to someone, or share it to someone, or anything else. And we will have all of our saved blogs here. We can here also categorize it and search from it. The next we have a following page where we can see the authors that we follow, the bloggers that we follow, and here the list of them. We can view their profile from here. So this is their public profile, and also we can unfollow them if we want to, right? And then we have help center where we have given the email ID and to direct support at any given time to get anything about the website. And there are some basic questions related to website. By support here, it will navigate us to the Gmail to generate a mail about asking any question. And here we have logout option. Also on the top bar we have search options. This search is really good to filter blogs by anything. We can directly search a blog by any topic and it will give us the blogs which contains that topic. We can search by author's name, directly by username, or just simply about blog's titles. Let's for now search AI, and it will just give us the blogs containing the AI term and related to it, right? So we can categorize by a particular category, we can search it by particular topic. We can just search the author that we want to see, right? For now let's just zoom in and the user is here, or let's just search Shubham, and we can get the Shubham convert. So now let us again log out and log in by admin email ID so that we can check the features of the admin only. So here we log out, and now we will log in with the admin ID so that we can say admin specific. As you can see here, most of the UI interface is same, but there are some admin specific pages such as reports, manage categories, and manage users. In report center, we can see all of the reports done by any user on the platform. For example, here there is Mano Patel has done the report, and we can then verify the blog by reading it if it has actually some spam or hateful or falseful content, and if it has, then we can remove blog, or if it's to another extent, we can just ban author and he will not be able to put blogs in the future. Or if it is actually safe, then we can just mark safe and it will be re-added to the actual blog data, right? All clear. And then we go to manage categories. Manage category has list of all the categories available there in our platform. Here we can also edit or remove them. For example, let's say remove gaming and sports, and it is removed, right? And then again we can create category as per user's requirement or admin's conditions, right? And the category is again added successfully, and it will be added onto the manage categories page. Then the manage users page. In the manage users page, we have list of all the users that are available on our platform. And here we can search any of the user, also blacklist them if we want to. And after blacklist, the user will not be able to even log in on the platform. Apart from that, coming back to the dashboard, here we have bell icon which gives us all the notification related to like, share, report or comments, and we can mark them as read unless they will have his account here. And then we have our profile. So this is our profile which is similar for admin or user. In here, this is our private profile. Private profile has personalized feature such as changing DP, username, display name, bio. For let's say we want to change bio that I love sports, and we have changed the bio, or we want to change the display, anything. And we can also change the password here if we want to, and after saving the changes the data will be updated. Here are also blogs with their performances, and this is a consistency tracker which gives us the blog activity in the calendar format, right? In the top here we also have another pages such as view public profile, which let us view our public profile which other people on the platform are going to see. So they will get to know followers, following, and their area of focus, which are the categories in which most of our blogs are posted, right? And then we can also see the analytics. In analytics page, you can see the performance of our blogs, views, unique views, which is important to know how many per people you are catering. Then followers versus non-followers chart, and this graph to show how engagement rates are in the last days, and a little insight into our performance. Traversing back to our profile, here we also have following and followers list. By clicking on following, we can check who are the people that we are following. We can view their profile, and we can unfollow them if we want to. Like here, we have successfully unfollowed a user. Then we also can see our followers. This is a list of our followers, right? And thus, Shabd Setu helps passionate writers share work, build an alliance, and get instant feedback. Together, the community creates, connects, and grows. Thank you.